Hey guys, let's go through CIE Maths 0607, May-June 2021, Paper 2. Let's go through question 1A. To find 3 minus 0.018, first we write 3 as 3.000 minus 0.018. Then 10 minus 8 is 2, and then 8, and then 9. Finally, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2.982. 1b. To find 0.04 whole square. 0.04 whole square, which is 4 over 100 whole square. 4 square is 16, 100 square is 10,000, so the answer is 0.0016. 0.0016. And then we do 0.08 divided by 0.2. First, we divide to both up and down, so which is 0.08 divided by 2 is 0.04, 0.2 divided by 2 is 0.1, and then we multiply by 10 up and down, which is equal to 0.4 over 1, which is just 0.4. So the answer is 0.4. Then we go through 2a. We write 5,249.6 correct to two significant figures. So we only focus on the first and then the second terms. So because the third number, the 4, is less than 5, so the answer is 5,200. And then we write 0.003026 correct to 3 decimal places. 1, 2, and then 3. So the answer is 0.003. Question number 3. A car travels 300 meters in 20 seconds. Find the average speed in meter per second. So first, the formula speed is equal to distance over time. Now the distance is 300 meters. The speed is 20 seconds, which is just 30 divided by 2 meter per second, which is just 15 meter per second. So the answer is 15 meter per second. And then we have to turn 15 meter per second into kilometer per hour. First, we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. Implies 1 meter is equal to 1 over 1,000 kilometer. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Implies 1 second is equal to 1 over 3,600 hour. And then 15 meter per second, which is equal to 15 times 1 over 1,000 kilometer over 1 over 3,600 hour. which is just equal to 15 over 1000 times 3600. To simplify the terms, cross out the zeros, and then becomes 15 and 10, and then becomes 3 over 2 times 36, which is 36 divided by 2, which is 18. 18 times 3 is 54. So the answer is 54 kilometers per hour. Okay, we have done the first 3 questions. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.